Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this 1950s outfit and dress and press without VIP. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose all these hairstyles and then you're going to color it with this color for all selection. For this hairstyle, you can choose only bangs for this one as well and put on this earring and this necklace. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to put on this top, and for this top we're going to apply this pattern, and then for the buttons I'm going to color it with this black color. Okay, and then I'm going to combine it with this item, and we can choose skirt. Okay, for the first selection you're going to apply this pattern, and for the next selection you're going to apply the black color. Okay, done. And then I'm going to put on this heels. For the heels you're going to select the black color for the first selection and also the second selection. Okay, and then I'm going to move to this area and put on this gloves, and we're going to make it short and then apply the same pattern. Okay, and the next one I'm going to go to this area and put on this hat, and then we're going to choose to go for. Okay, and then put on this bag. Alright, and then the next one guys, we're going to go to the changing room. Okay, and we're going to go to this menu, and then you're going to put on the skirt from the witch set, make it this color, and for the next selection I'm going to select this color. Okay, done. And then you're going to select this top, and for this top you're going to make it this color for the first selection until the last selection. Okay, now it's done guys, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.